Rise News' Kelsey Minor has been following this angle for us, and he's here in the studio with more. Kelsey.
Well, Wendy, that UN emergency meeting coming at a very important time because we are just learning 7 bodies were found in Guinea. This according to the Prime Minister, who says health workers were attacked and killed while carrying out Ebola efforts. Among the dead, 3 Guinean radio journalists covering the educational efforts. This comes as Sierra Leone readies for an educational weekend and the high cost of battling the virus. It's a busy Thursday in Sierra Leone.
I've come to buy medication, food stuff, and all necessary things, even water at home.
Residents are getting last-minute essentials because starting Friday, the government is mandating a 3-day nationwide shutdown.
We'll be going from house to house, basically, to be able to provide a very clear message about Ebola and to be able to tell people what they should do within their family circles if they find that a particular member within the family is suffering from Ebola.
The lockdown is aimed at helping workers fight the outbreak of Ebola. The disease has already killed more than 2,000 people in the region. Meantime, vendors there have some worry over the loss of income with the shutdown.
So we're very concerned first and foremost with the response. But we did take a step back and ask the question, what's going on in terms of the overall economic impact?
The World Bank projects Ebola could drain billions of dollars from the economy. Inflation and food prices are already rising due to panic buying. Still, money loss is taking a back seat to the many lives lost. Already, an experimental vaccine has been given to 10 Americans and 1 man in the UK. Meantime, the world anxiously waits for a solution to the crisis, perhaps a cure. Fighting the disease has become a global effort. UN Secretary Ban Ki-moon saying the number of cases is doubling every 3 weeks and is calling for a $1 billion increase over the next 6 months to tackle the crisis. And of course, Wendy, we know that President Obama is sending about 3,000 U.S. troops into that region to help.